Hey guys, here it is, the Dewalt brushless Flevolt 120 volt, the cordless miter saw from Dewalt. It's a 12-inch dual bevel slider. It's impressive. Like this, it's unreal. I was just blown away. I didn't actually think it would be this good. So you can see it takes the two 60 volt batteries in the back there, and then it comes with this corded power supply, and it just plugs into the back here where the batteries go, and then you can plug it into the wall. And also it comes with this dual charger. The batteries did seem to charge pretty fast. They weren't run down, but you know that first charge always takes a little bit longer. So yeah, there it is. Tomorrow I'll post some pictures of it cutting.